Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. There's a dog there. So today we're going to go down the back, do some cool stuff. Yeah, and here's a dog. What are you doing now? What's up? What are you doing? Eh? Good girl. Ew. Keep walking. Chickie, hey? How have you been? How have you been, Chickie? He's a good bird. You're a good bird, hey? You're a good chickie. Now viewers, just before you ask, Chickie is in no danger here. The dog has been tied up, so just in case you were wondering, hey Chickie. Yeah, we would never let Chickie out when Nell's on the loose. Chickie, I'm trying to video you. Whoa, whoa. Hang on, hold up, hold up. Hey, no, Chickie, no. You seeing this? Hey, alrighty guys, hopefully she doesn't run off this time with some bread. Hey, come closer to the camera. No, look at this bit. See this bit, you won't be able to eat it. Personal space, Chickie. Personal space. That was weird. Let's just forget that ever happened, hey? Well everyone, just a short video today, but thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Chickie here loved it, eh? Yes you did, eh?